Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up AutoHotkey. First, navigate to the official AutoHotkey website and download the installer. Once downloaded, run the executable file. For a quick and easy setup, select the Express installation option. This will install AutoHotkey to its default location, making it ready for use in just a few moments. You can then verify the installation by checking your program list. Now let's create your very first AutoHotkey script. Right-click anywhere on your desktop, hover over New, and then select AutoHotkey script. This creates a new file. Make sure to name it something descriptive, always ending with the awk extension. For instance, my script. Awk works well. Once named, right-click the file and choose Edit Script to open it in Notepad or your preferred text editor. With your script file open, you can start adding commands. A common first command is a hot string. For example, type btw, by the way, to automatically expand btw into by the way. After adding your commands, save the file. Then, simply double-click the awk file you created. This will launch the script, and it will run quietly in the background, ready to execute your new commands. Once your script is running, you'll see a green H icon in your system tray. This icon is your control center. Right-click it to access options like Edit Script to modify your code. After making changes, select Reload Script to apply them without restarting your computer. If you need to stop a script, simply choose Exit from the same menu. It's a straightforward way to manage all your active AutoHotkey scripts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.